Yeah, I think the building of resilience and well-being, it just helps a better functionality and operation of of a team, whether it be a two-man team or a large organization. And then once you've got those two elements in place, it's all about having to kind of push on a more positive vibe, not that you possess as a leader throughout your team and towards your team, but then having that overall positivity and just that aura about a leader in any confidence way, it and then it just creates more well, the presenteeism in the workplace is enhanced, and it's just it creates a better vibe all around when it comes to having a better functioning workplace and organization.